Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign in with an account that has tagging and API privileges, then open the automatic tag editor. Once done, load a small test dataset of 50 to 200 items so you can iterate quickly without affecting production. Next, import your target tag schema and stop word list so the editor knows which labels to prefer or ignore. This immediate setup prevents later rework and gives you a controlled environment to test tag generation. Now configure the editor's extraction and training pipeline so it produces useful tags. Choose rule-based for deterministic needs, machine learning for variability, or a hybrid for balance. Then set confidence thresholds and synonym maps. Once configured, run a batch test on your dataset and inspect a representative sample of outputs to see precision and recall trade-offs. Make targeted adjustments to rules and weights, then retrain or reindex. Iteration here improves accuracy and reduces noise before wider rollout. Finish by deploying the tag editor and setting up monitoring and fallback processes. Push to staging first and then incrementally roll out to production while keeping a human in the loop for low-confidence tags. Make sure logging and metrics capture tag distributions and error rates so you can detect drift. If things go wrong, start by lowering the confidence threshold, correcting or disabling problematic rules, or adding targeted training examples. This triage quickly restores accuracy while you diagnose root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.